Hello guys, and welcome to Vin Global Technologies. Why use keys when you can be your own key? Here we have the OVO SMART LOCK. You're able to unlock your doors using passcode, fingerprint, Face ID, and smart card. You're also able to lock and unlock manually, and you're able to lock and unlock automatically. The OVO SMART LOCK uses a battery, and the battery lasts for 6 months. This is rechargeable, and the OVO SMART LOCK warns you 1 month earlier about the battery draining. If you are abroad and you come back to no battery, you can just use your backup key, and if you don't have your backup key, you can use a USB power bank to charge it for one time. The OVO SMART LOCK has an inbuilt doorbell, so you don't need to install another one. If someone was to ring your bell, you don't have to open the door. You can just press the middle button and you can see the person on the other side. Join the keyless generation and make your life easier and safer. Thank you.